Welcome back. Let me show you the easiest and fastest way to create a custom profile using OpenShot. Now, before we go on to that, let's quickly see what a profile is actually and why you need to be making a custom profile. Take this viewing area, for example. This is a typical proportion of a screen where the width of the screen is usually wider than the height of the screen. For example, let's come to this one. We say choose profile. You can also access this through the menu, through file, but let me just select choose profile. And my current profile is set for HD 720p, 30 FPS. This means it's high definition. 720p means 720 progressive and 30 frames per second. This is the most important part for now. This video is going to be created using 1280 pixels horizontally and 720 pixels vertically. As a result, the ratio of your video will be 16:9. Now, I don't want this. What I really want to have, for example, is a custom size. Say I want to make a video that has exactly 400 by 400 pixels. So the easiest thing to do is you choose any existing profile. It would be convenient if you choose something that is close to what you want, because that way you will not need to make too many changes. It's okay. Let's start with this. You could choose anything. Let's start with this. So I want to make my own profile for a 400 by 400 pixel video. So I right click on this and I select duplicate. Now over here, you could give a descriptive name. For example, I would say Khalid 400 by 400. You could type it in whatever style you like. And now I'll specify the size of the output video. So I go 400, 400, and we're done. That's about it. You can see that it has automatically changed the aspect ratio to mean it'll be a 1:1 because the width and height are the same. If you want to, you can set interlacing, but I'm not interested in that. We just say save. Okay, so I'm not allowed to use this name because I've already saved it like this. Let me call this new. Okay. There we are. So now we have a new profile under the name Khalid 400x400, and it says new. As you can see, I've already created this before as well. And I say, okay, that's it. And we're done. Now you see that this output area has been rescaled according to our new profile. Finally, when exporting a video, you've got to make sure that your current profile or your target profile is correctly selected. And that's all to it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and give us a like.